day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. It is a fully loaded smartwatch. There's a lot of smart features, including a feature that you can download, or a functionality where you can download additional apps for your smartwatch. On this video, we are going to have a demo on how to download apps for our smartwatch. So the HK10 Ultra 3 uses the WeFit Pro application with a section for application market. So we'll try and download one and see if it works with our smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the list of available apps for the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, and you also want to know on how to download apps for your smartwatch, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the application market for our HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. So we have here the app market on the smartwatch. I guess you can download right away here. For more exciting applications, please scan the QR code to go to the app marketplace. For example, we have here, I don't know if you can, okay, you can load, as you can see here. So you can download, I think, or no, I don't know, we'll see. Go back again, let's go to the application market. Okay, so we only have two here, World Clock and an airplane war game. I guess if you really want to download, you have to go to the support app. Okay, so let's go to the support app. So we have here the WeFit Pro application. Let me show it to you. WeFit Pro. Go to the application market. So we have here two sections, software store and a game market. In our case, we will try one app here on the software store with different categories. Here we have lifestyle, new arrival. We also have scientific health, practical tools. Okay, we already have the world clock here. So we'll try to install the interest calculator, I think, or maybe unit conversion. Let's try this one. Then in the game market section, let's try, okay, maybe this one, pop the bubble. Okay, software store first. So let's have the unit conversion. Tap on the unit conversion, as you can see here. Okay, this one is in Chinese version. I don't know if it's available in English. Let's just be safe. Let's pick another application here. So you can see right away the results. Healthy brushing. Okay, how about this one? Okay, I guess this one is much better. Then installation. So it's now downloading and it's now installing. So let's wait for it to finish. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Success. Let's see if it's available here. And we have here, so you have an option to remove it. I notice it here, there's no icon to remove the world clock. I guess it is the default here, the world clock and the airplane war, but we have it here on the periodic table of elements. Okay, so let's open the app, and we have here the application. Nice, so far very good. Then for the game section, let's see. So let's pick one. Jigsaw puzzle, racing games. Okay, so let's try this one. Pop the bubble and installation. So it's just a simple game here. It's now downloading. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, it's now installing in our smartwatch. And success. So let's see again. So we have an airplane war for the game. And we have poke the bubbles. So let's try this one. Okay, let's play. Nice. It's like I think this is somewhat like a minesweeper. I don't know. How do you play this thing? Okay, 28 bubbles. I don't know if how this game works, but anyway, we do have a successful download. Okay, so if you want additional application, just go again to the software store. Then let's see, software store, famous code, or maybe random jokes. Let's see with this one. Okay, installation. These are just simple applications, I think, for our smartwatch. But anyway, still, it's a good feature having additional apps for your smartwatch. If you don't need it, you can remove it. We will try that one after we install these random jokes. Success. So let's see. Loading. And generate. Okay. Okay, another one. So this is the joke. Okay, that's it. Okay, very simple app. So let's try to remove the applications. Okay, again, go back. Yes. How to remove this? Okay, it's still loading. Okay, deleted. How about this one? Okay, so that's it on how to remove the apps. You cannot remove the airplane war and the world clock. Okay, so there's no option to delete the apps. So that's it on downloading apps for your HK10 Ultra Smart Watch. So there's a lot of available apps for the wearable so far. So we have scientific health, practical tools. Let's explore. We also have here new arrival. Let's see. We only have 7. For the games, so there's a lot of options for the games. Okay, cut the watermelon, goalkeeper, jigsaw puzzle, Sudoku puzzle, fan. So there's a lot of options for the game section for your HK10 Ultra Smartwatch. So that's it for the tutorial on how to download games and apps for your smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Bye!